Have you ever heard about Idilevo? Or I should have asked, have you been to Bulgaria? If yes, you know what I'm talking about, but if not, now is the right moment to do it.
In this small village, located in the middle of the country, or to be more precise, Motocamp Bulgaria will take place the annual meeting of all adventure travelers from Bulgaria. For one weekend, from 24th until 26th of May, this place is going to be full with people from Bulgaria and maybe from the countries around. Many of my followers ask me when I'm gonna make a subscribers meetup in Bulgaria. Well, now is the moment. I'll be here as well, and everyone who wants to meet me is more than welcome. Of course, there will be more than enough drinks and stories to listen to or to share. The fun is 100% guaranteed, and everyone who ever been in Bulgaria can confirm my words. Cheers! If you prefer to ride, you will come to the right place. Some of the most famous attractions are located nearby.
Tsarevets Fortress in Veliko Trnovo is a must-have place for every visitor. You can have a great riding moment on Shipka Pass and climb the famous monument on the top. It is the most important place for every Bulgarian, and I have no doubts that you will enjoy it as well. Only 15 kilometers away from Shipka is Buzluja Monument, an old Soviet-era building that definitely deserves to be seen. You'll be able to touch the history and take some great pictures. Dryanovo and Kilifarevo monasteries, the town of Gabriovo, the Eti complex Etara, or many more traditional Bulgarian places will blow your mind. There are more than enough twisty roads to enjoy your time and test your motorcycle in real travel conditions. I'm not going to discuss even the famous Bulgarian food. I'm sure that you have heard about it. If not, it will be a nice gift for you. All of these places are within 100 kilometers radius of the camp, and you will have plenty of time to see it without exhausting yourself to death.
This is the bar. Of course, it's going to be absolutely different when it's full with people. The lights are on, all the drinks, music, and everything that you need. It is fantastic place to see. No problem if you decided to stay outside. See this improvised table with all Soviet motorcycles. Here you can park your bike in a safe place. The camp also offers accommodation, private and shared rooms, but the numbers are limited, around 20-25 people. This is the condition of the rooms. As you can see, there is a kitchen, you can prepare your food. It's another one option here, but as I said, the numbers are limited. This is another option, a little bit more luxury. Look good. For everyone who wants to save money and just open his tent, it's more than enough places. See, this is a huge yard, and you can come whatever you like. You can grab a chicken if you want and have it for dinner. Nah, it's a fantastic place. I've been here before. They got you an option, this caravan. You can rent this caravan as well. Everything about the prices and possible options you can find in their website. I will link it in the description down below. Here you go. Just been informed that the chicken house is not for rent, but if someone really wanted and happy to pay a little bit extra money, no problem to host him or her here. There are another 4 rooms over there, but at the moment they are a little bit messy, but until May they'll be all right. And I show you the parking spot here, but also you can park here on the grass where the tents are, so plenty of space. This is the campfire. Of course, it's completely different when all of this started later in the evening, and here you can hear a lot of interesting stories. I've been here twice before, and I can tell you that this is a great fun. Well, the alcohol is a little bit more than I can handle, but even so, it's a great fun. Also, for the third time already, we're going to have this adventure game named Bug Explorer. What you do basically, you find a partner and you together ride around in the area to find the specific points or locations. And later in the evening, we have to calculate how many points you have, and the winners, of course, gonna get some really nice presents like saddlebag, some adventure gear, or many different things. But it's a great fun. Of course, this is not everything. There's so many things to see here, but I will keep them as a surprise. All the details, how to join at location and everything, I'm gonna leave you in the description down below. See you there, guys. Ciao.